What up? Say what's up, guys. Look, I'll show you. We out here at
What up, what up?
Club Campestre. Look.
Campestre with the boy? Oh, that's sick.
That's a sick camera, man.
Yeah,
so you can do a selfie mode?
You can do that. You can do vertical mode too if you want. Salud.
Osmo, salud.
The DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Sick, salud.
Salud, salud.
Cheers. Beautiful day. That's tough, bro. Next time I'm gonna see you with the streamer backpack.
That's right. I saw those. This? I think they go for $600 for this package, but it comes with like a microphone.
DJI.
All right. It's been 3 days in TJ. Didn't really get too much contenido here. It was kind of playing golf and playing poker and playing paddle, amongst other things. But right here, check this out. With my boys, we're about to cross to the otro lado.
Yes, sir.
And I said, dude, I don't have Century. This is gonna be a pain to get over there. No, they said, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What's the life hack? They got a little medical pass for his condition here.
Yeah.
So I guess we're just gonna pop right into the medical lane. We're gonna golf East Lake. Our tee time's at what? 11?
Oh, 11:15.
11:15? Okay, it's 10:40.
Yeah.
So we're crossing. This would never be able to happen if you didn't. Even with Century, you wouldn't be able to do this. All right, so guys, we'll check in when we get to East Lake. But I'll film the
Shout out
crossing.
Tiger Foods.
Tiger Hoods? Tiger who?
Foods.
Tiger Foods? Is that the fat golfer? I mean the guy, the overweight guy. Okay. All right, let's check out this medical lane thing here when we get there. All right, you guys see that lane on the left? What lane is that? Ready?
Oh, that's the regular line.
That's the regular line.
No papers, nothing. You just
General.
The GA
General traffic.
line.
There you
Okay,
go.
so you need a passport to get in, right? But it's just no like, or
Yeah,
is it just because what's the difference between ready lane and in general?
So ready lanes, like you already have your visa and your papers in order. This is like you don't have anything ready basically, or you have some sort of problem.
Okay.
So this one takes long, even though it might be short. You can still take up to like 2-3 hours, even though it's short. Usually this is like a 5-hour endeavor.
Yeah.
Okay, and
in rare occasions, is the general line faster than ready lane?
yeah, okay,
Almost
gotcha.
never.
Yeah.
So for this medical, do we need all show our passports?
No, here you just scan a QR code. That's about it.
Well, what about me? I'm in the back. People in the back.
Oh, they don't care. They just look for the
As long as the
driver.
car.
Yeah, as long as the car matches the plates and your name, you're
Oh
good.
shit. Okay. Oh damn. So you can just kind of bring people over if you want.
Yeah. Oh no, I mean you still go by the what's it
Oh,
called?
this is just skips you to the front of the line.
Yeah, this is
Oh,
this,
okay.
This is a fast.
Yeah, this is
fast track.
okay.
Okay, I thought it was
Oh,
we're in the
okay.
U.S. after this part.
If not, it would
No,
be
no,
a Chico.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
super Chico.
Okay. So this just makes you get to the front of the line, then you go through the regular.
You're cutting, and everybody
Okay.
looks at you nasty.
Okay. Well, he's got an issue.
I heard they were
got a
doing
peck-
fraud
he's
selling
got a
these
peck-
on Facebook.
He's got a
Yeah.
pecker issue. He got to get to the hospital. Is this it right here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I thought she was selling something. I thought she was selling something. Okay, that's the lady.
Honestly, she's not in uniform.
Yeah.
There's usually cops.
Yeah, usually they have like military there, don't they? Because one time I came up, tried to give them a $20 bill,
And they said no.
and there was a military guy's like, I can't do it.
Can't do it, chief.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but I mean, you're gonna see how much line we're gonna be skipping. Also,
Yeah.
additionally, now it's 24/7. Before it used to have like hours, right?
Yeah,
Opening hours.
for the medical.
Yeah, but now it's 24/7, 7 days a week. Perfect.
Nice. Just want to have my issue acting up when I got the itis in the middle of the night. I can cross.
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy peasy, easy peasy.
This is the San Isidro border crossing. I think it's the, or if not one of the most highly trafficked borders in the world, international borders. And just got right to the front of the line because of this special condition.
On any given Sunday, ready lane, 3 hours.
Wow,
easily.
really?
We're gonna do 20 minutes max.
Okay,
We're making that tea time.
we're making the tea time
We're making that tea time.
without a warm up.
Without
Without a warm.
Okay,
We got a breakfast spot, first tea.
That's it.
okay, okay. I'll do a couple swings, couple air swings, practice swings. We'll be good to go.
You never played Magic either, huh?
Enagic, is that what you call it?
Yeah,
I thought you guys were just typoing every time you said it.
Oh no. So it used to be called East Lake Country Club, but Enagic, I think it's like a water purifying company.
Oh.
They bought it, and now it's the Enagic Country Club at East Lake.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
Nothing, sir.
Yes, that's what we're bringing. He checked all our IDs.
Sure.
Now he's gonna open the truck.
Are you recording?
Thank you. What do you get in check?
Private Red Bull.
A Red Bull? A couple Red Bulls, okay. Damn, bro, out here pissing.
My brother Zach.
Let's go.
The boy.
Let's go take some pisses.
Let's go stream the piss real quick.
Okay, well, we got one here, two here. Okay, I'll go on this one. Meet you. Yo, look at all these candies I haven't seen in years, bro. This is the one I had to cop. I used to buy these all the time. These are so fire. This is the best sours, bro. Best sours. You just get us in.
I don't know, man. He works at the pro shop. He's a scratch golfer, and he doesn't want to.
And you want to play me and you against these two. And you want to play me and you against these two. Okay.
Look at this here shot right here. If I play bad, it's not good. I'll shoot 80 something if I play bad.
Oh, that's a bad day. 51.
Stop, you guys are pressuring me. I don't like it.
Wow. That might be on the green.
Of course.
Okay. All right. Well. So what do we get? We get a stroke per hole.
You get a stroke per hole. I don't.
Okay.
I got a.
I'll take that.
So we're doing high-low.
High-low, 20-20-20.
20-20-20.
What's high-low
Gets a
20-20-20?
stroke
Can
on
you
hole except for the par 3s.
can you explain the high-low 20-20-20 thing for the cam?
So we're doing best ball against both of us. So me and Saul's score add up against yours and Miguel's score added up.
Okay.
So the person with the lower score wins that hole.
Okay.
We're doing a match on the front, match on the back, and a match total. Each is $20.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're playing for
Oh, yes.
Okay. $20 per person.
Oh, yes.
per person.
Okay. Let's go.
Close to the pin.
All right, guys, check it out. This is some high class. Does it show you where you're at on the course too?
Yeah, too.
Oh, it shows you your ranges. Okay, I'm looking for the Bluetooth here, where it's discoverable as. Oh, there's the Osmo Pocket Visage 76. Let's connect to that. We got a little passcode. Let's pair it up. This is the course. This is hole 1, guys. I think I'm right in the middle of the fairway.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, let's go. I think our boy's on the green though, so.
Yeah.
Oh, I see me right there.
Yes, sir.
I let him know I only listen to corridos y reggaeton. Sit down. Oh, I think you went into the bushes back there. It's okay, brother. Let's roll. How are we looking through 4?
We are looking all right. I'm not playing my best, but there's plenty of golf left, and it's clicking.
Okay, good, good.
Watch out.
Let's see this putt. Wait, where's mine at? Oh, back there, okay. How come I'm not with you guys?
Yo, Zach, honestly,
Oh.
you got a little tough putt over there.
That's
Yeah.
the hardest shot maybe on the course. Not gonna lie to you.
Should I chip this or should I putt this? Cause I can't, cause I have to go up and to the
you
left.
have to go up. Yeah, you have to chip this.
Oh God. Okay, one second.
Let me take over and film it. Alrighty.
Yeah, this is a tough chip, and I gotta hit it on that left side fringe. Oh my God, and it's in a little divot here, a little pocket. Oh my God, it's bad. I might just have to roll it.
Hit one out. Drop 2. Hit 4. Hit 5 on.
I don't know, guys. Way too much.
Little long, too much. Tough shot.
And it's off the hill. Oh, it's right there. I still see it. We're good. I'll take
Right
that
there.
all day. I'll take that all day.
You'll take that all day.
We're sitting.
Come on.
All right, here you go. We're filming these par 3s.
So the tips are pierced.
I can't really zoom on this thing. Here, hold on, I got this. I can do this. Okay, now I can zoom to 2x, which is nothing, but. That might be in the hole.
Oh, it's right.
Oh! Hey, you're lucky this thing doesn't have a zoom on it. Oh! Drawing in?
Stop turning.
Oh, cleared the bunker.
Oh,
Clear.
you're in the back bunker.
You're in the, no, oh my gosh, you went to the back bunker. Straight shot, but you're going right.
It's gonna bounce left, don't worry.
Nope.
Oh, pin high, what'd you hit?
No, he's way front edge.
What'd you
I
hit?
hit an 8.
An 8?
Yeah, but,
So 7.
but I didn't stripe. I didn't hit it good.
Okay, I'm hitting my 8.
Now it is. Got Weedy in the mix. That's the scratch.
Good little dice.
Good little dice. Alright, we got Fax. Sagary Fax on the tee. 7 iron?
Anyone on the green yet?
7 iron? What you hitting?
He's in the front edge of the green, but I know you can outdo him. Oh, nope.
To the right a little?
Cart path. A little
Oh, a little car
Oh
path?
God, that's right behind the tree. I don't know if I'm cut out to be filmed while I shoot. Yeah, okay. I guess I can follow that up by saying I'm 6 over through 5, so I'm playing pretty well.
Nope.
Looks like we have another par 3 from, well, Alex is playing the tips here. 167. Over water, over bunker.
Smooth 6 iron.
What a beautiful shot. Looks a little,
Newborn
looks
draw
like.
there. I like that.
Oh,
Where did it go?
That's a peach.
What are you hitting? You're hitting 7?
Ya vas atrás de la bandera, güey.
I got this with the 8.
Pégale tu 6 leve. A gusto.
Okay, here.
Dude, this shit is sick. What the? What is this? Oh, this shit records smooth. All right, let's see it. What do you got?
I got an 8.
8 iron. I like it.
You're gonna be fine though. You can hit that. Yeah. You're gonna find it.
You actually might be on the next tee box, and it's like perfect.
I think I'm into someone's playground, as it looks like.
Somebody's. Oh, where the fuck am I aiming?
It's okay, it's coming right. Coming left, coming left.
Oh, no way.
Oh!
No way. If that goes in the hole.
Oh my god, that might actually.
Oh my god, that's closest to the pin. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Alright.
Count, dude.
That doesn't
Count.
A member bounce for sure, bro.
Bro, I just got my fucking, what's it called? I just got my residence card.
And you just got $5
Yeah,
too.
for $40, that's why. That's what I
No, my man.
You can tell he just got his
Hey, you'll take it.
Fuck, I don't know where the fuck I was aiming. God damn.
No, you were aiming.
Huge draw, right to left.
I called it too. Hit the car path, go all the way left.
That's why I got the ace cam rolling. I like it.
Shit.
Look
There you go,
at
Saul.
that fuck dart.
That's a beauty.
Wow, nice and easy.
I think
Oh,
we're gonna have to measure those.
maybe a little bunker action or what? Or no?
Go, Zach. So 8 was not enough.
I
My
hit-
7 is a little bent, so I had to hit a smooth 6.
Oh, your seven's a little
It's a
bent.
beautiful 6.
Okay, where are we going? All right, what do we got going on here?
Over water. It's playing about 170. We got a 6 iron into the wind. and it's going in the hole.
Okay, and he's playing from the tips here. I don't do 2 takes, man. Hit the hole. Oh my God! Hold on.
Beat the little right. What a shot, though.
Where's it at?
It's close.
It's close.
To the right.
Is it closest?
Right of the pin.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, that might be really good. If it kicks good.
Already, a little.
It's there. It's there. Is it closer?
No,
short, it's short.
Yeah, we got some wind. Left to right, I believe.
Go!
That's gotta go. It's gotta go.
How come every time we film, I just... I'm not meant for the camera, bro. I guess so. I got a tee right there, something for you.
I don't use tees on.
Okay. God.
Big hard 8-iron from Saul.
Mm-hmm. I'd do that. Ooh, it looks good. It sounded a little fat, but where is? Oh,
I thinned it.
you thinned it, but it's right there on the green.
It's okay, yeah.
Okay.
Would it hit it?
Another one for GL.
For Gio, but no, really, we're gonna take some.
Ahí.
We're gonna take some advice.
Ahí.
Wow.
Look at it, way better strike.
Better strike, yeah.
Yeah. But now it's a naming thing.
Okay. Now it's a naming thing.
All right. Immediately after that kind of story, you become brothers. Look at it.
He's left over.
Is that not beautiful? Oh my God! Here at this right here with this punk of a dude talking shit on the line. How we do? How we do today?
We did all right.
Yeah.
We did not bad, right?
He took our money.
We did not. It took our
Amazing day of
money.
golf. Your partner let you down, though.
My partner, this one right here.
Let you down.
Why do you say that?
We didn't have nothing.
He did not have his driver today, which is
Oh my God! It's a crucial part of the game, isn't it?
crucial.
Especially a big snap hook and keeping it playing.
It's hard. It's hard.
Hey.
Chilling right now, watching the NBA Finals, Game 7.
We're at what do you call this place? Novo Brazil. It's a brewery here in let's take a
So
let's take a
I
tug.
made myself have a draw, and I had a draw.
Love a fade, bro.
I know, and I had a draw for a while, but then it started turning into a hook when I stopped playing. And when I stopped playing,
You hit a fade.
good company. You can control it more. I know.
Fade listens.
Let's go. We need the Pacers to win, or it's beans and rice.
Once that draw starts turning into a hook,
For real. Hey, it's my boy's birthday right here. Shout him out. We got Al Beats. Let's go, baby. San Diego shit. Let's go. Been a long ass time. Hey. Let's go. It's just getting started. It's early in the night. Early in the night.
Every represent my culture, hold on my fucking culture. All my faces is in the building where you at. I go by DJ Al, he's the big X in the building, mom. What we doing now, Joe? Tonight's my motherfucking birthday. I'm celebrating my birthday all weekend. Where all my cancers in the building, all my cancers, where you at?
What's up, man? I got this on the continental, bro. You guys, I just got invited to this after party for Horizon. I just got to San Diego. I hit up my boy. I said, I'm in your city. Look, it's in a warehouse. This is sick. And I can already see a line. So I brought a bottle. I kept asking him if I should bring anything. He never responded, but look at this. Oh my God, it sounds popping. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Wow, guys, look at that. Guys, I got the whip back. Yes, it's my Range Rover. If you guys didn't know, I was a real estate agent forever, for 6-7 years in Seattle before I moved down to San Diego, then to Tijuana, then to, then down to Mexico City. So I did really well in real estate. I did not grow up rich like some of you guys like to think. I grew up actually with a single immigrant mom with 3 brothers. She was working at Safeway. But I grew up rich. I did well in real estate, and I bought this car. I actually originally leased it 2019, and then I moved. I had it in San Diego, had it in Tijuana, and then it's been sitting in a garage and just been collecting dust, and now I'm finally gonna sell it. So guys, it's Kelly Blue Book's around 35K. I just paid it off, so I own it outright. I'm open to financing it. I'm pretty sure by the time this video comes out, in like a couple days, I'll have it sold. I posted it all over my Instagram, but here I am in San Diego. Got here on Tuesday. Sorry, I got here on Sunday, and it's Tuesday now. I rested in bed all day Monday because as soon as I got here on Sunday, there was a music festival I didn't go to, but I did go to the after party because I saw that my other friend was in town and he was orchestrating the after party. But let me show you this Airbnb I just stayed in for 2 days, which was in a great location right here on Market Street. So that's a paid lot across the street. It's on Market and what, 6th, 7th? That is 8th. Okay, so between 8th and 7th. I'll just go in here. Let me type this code in real quick. It's really cool. All right, so this is the entry here. I love the carpeted stairway entry. I think there's 2 commercial units on the ground floor, so we're going upstairs. It's like a vintage clothing shop. Look at this, isn't this super sick? The vibe is like a turn of the century hotel. I love everything. This is like a historical building for sure. We go up to my unit, and sorry if it's a little messy. I stayed there for 2 days and I bed rotted all day yesterday. So I think this is the top floor. This is where I stayed. I'm cleaning up right now, but this was I think it ended up being like $350 for 2 nights for this area. I mean, it's a studio. It's got everything you need, except one thing, which is why I'm gonna have to dock the rating, honestly. I'm winded, sorry. The listing said washer and dryer, and I'm traveling right now, so I pulled up ready to wash all my underwear and socks and everything so I can have a fresh slate of clothes. He says, hey, sorry, the washer and dryer is not operational. He didn't tell me that until I brought it up, and it's still advertised on there. I think this is where it was at, maybe. This is where it was at. That it doesn't look like he has any plans of bringing it back anytime soon. I'm not sure. That looks pretty like permanent fix, but so that screwed me, and his only solution was that there's a laundromat across the street. Yeah, I don't have time. In and out, in and out. I want to be able to throw it in, and then when I come back, throw it in, and then have it be here. But I just checked into another Airbnb. I'm staying here till Thursday, then I'm gonna head up to Torrance and LA. I'm gonna golf in Hacienda, visit my friend. But it's cool because I can put my stuff in the car instead of having to. There's no place to hold your stuff here, so let me go to my car and then check in at the coffee. I gotta go grab a coffee. Oh my God, guys! I just went to this Fit East Village. Can you see the sign? I was a member at Fit in Little Italy. I don't remember what I was paying. I think it was $200 a month, $150 a month, something like that. Nice gym, very nice gym. Guess how much their day pass is? $45 for the day. And I said, okay, do you offer them in like bundles or whatever? Just curious. 10 days for $150, consecutive days. So I mean, $15 a day. I wish I would have got that the first day I came here. I probably would have paid that. $45. You can come back all day. You can go to the other clubs if you want. But god damn, that's steep. I mean, I go to the best gym in the world in Guadalajara, and the day pass there is $450, so $22, and it's the best gym. Trust me. If you know, you know. You Fit in Guadalajara, Andares. But look at this. I just got coffee at this cool spot right here on the corner. Looks like these guys are setting up for their outdoor. We're out here in Gaslamp on J Street right here and 9th. Really nice day. Let me show you the ballpark right here. We got some corridos lovers out there, you can tell. This is where I went right here for a Copa Vida, Cup of Life. And then check this out. This is the stadium right here. And guess what? We're going to the game tonight. So that'll probably be I'll probably have this video through when I head up to Torrance, LA. And then I'll end it. But yeah, man, beautiful day out here shipping out. Let's go. I got Tom's Bar. So I'll be back here in this area at 6:40, but I'm gonna go check into my Airbnb, and I gotta find a new gym that's not 45, because I'm gonna go to the gym today, tomorrow, and the next day. I'm not about to drop, I mean, it's really not that much. Well, what am I talking about? That's a lot of money. Never mind. I'll find a gym for $5. Watch this. Well, I paid the $45 to go into Fit Athletic downtown San Diego. Check this out. This is the view from this outdoor area here, and there's this little lounge also. I'll give you guys a quick little tour. I don't want to be filming all up in the gym like that, but this is sick. Like, you don't even need this. $45 comes with the ticket to the game. I'm looking at this is center field. That's wild. What a crazy. How much do you think rent is in this spot? Let me see if I can give you a little tour here. Just a quick one. Just a quick one, okay? We have the cardio machines here. Go all the way down, a lot, and they're super high-end, high-tech. Some weight machines here. We have a little stretching area. A lot of weight stuff here. This is what's really cool. I went to the Fit Athletic in Little Italy, and it didn't have like lounges like this with TV. I mean, you can sit here, you can watch your sports, you can watch the Padres game from here if you don't feel like going outside or you want a better view. And then of course here we have more weights, curls all the way over in that area over there. I mean, dumbbells. And then there's like a kind of a hit or class room over there and over there. But all right, guys, that was, I mean, I have no choice. I'm gonna be here for the next couple days too. So, but good news is we just got tickets to box suites at the Padres game tonight. So my boy, he said, "You're in my city now, let me take care of you." So I said, "How do you have the connections like that?" So we're going to Club J, Section J, I guess. But right now, let's go check in the Airbnb. Hopefully the car's still there. That was it. Pecho Hombro. Ooh, guys, over here, Las Aras is my spot, bro. Right here, right below the Airbnb. I'm about to dig in. Nice. Okay. This is the street that we're on here today. That's Market right there, and this is 4th. Let me plug this code in. Check this out. Go up here. I think people live here also. There's mailboxes. Going upstairs, I'll give you a little tour of the unit I'm renting. This was like $350 for 2 days, maybe like $380. 1 second. It's a really nice spot. Oops, sorry about that. All right, yep, I already have my crap. I'm washing my stuff. There is laundry here and it's paid. It's kind of cool. You just set it up through an app and you can pay and it gives you notifications. Bathroom, super nice. Love the hardwood floors here. Closet. Kitchen, full kitchen. Way nicer than I would have rented here for 4 days if I would have had this spot before. Way better. TV. Not looking out at anything here, but it's just a roof. But super nice studio. Small, like I could live in something like this though, I think. I don't know. Really have to declutter your life if you want to live here. I mean, it's got built-in bookshelves. That's where I put my books. Just no closet. I guess this is the closet. Let me see. This is the closet. Oh, plenty of room. Whoa. Bro, I could live here. How much is rent? For real, for real. And oh, there's another coat closet right here. Look at that. And then the washer and dryer. Oh yeah, coat closet. Oh, come on, bro. Here, let me set this down. Let's go to the laundry room. Not to mention, something smells good. It smells like Thai food. There has to be a Thai food restaurant in this building. I'll have to double check. Look at that. Right here. You just plug and play with your phone, and it does it for you. There you go. Still here? Yep. Let's go.
Yeah, you can take her.
The seats here. We got Manny Machado on base. Oh, whoa, 2 hits in a row. We're teeing off right now. Teeing off. Let's go. Here comes my copyright infringement for this video. Fuck it. What is this? What's he doing? Oh, it's okay, okay. We need a home run. God damn it. Let's go. I still make money. Let's go. We made money. Come on. I love it, guys. I love it. It is Wednesday morning now. I could post a story on my Instagram saying I want to sell my Range Rover, $35,000. And I could have like 5 or 6 of my friends hit me up about wanting to buy it. Pretty much all of them were in the 20s. But one guy is at the $30,000 range, and he's gonna come look at it. I feel blessed that I have friends in that category that can hit me up after seeing my Instagram story and just be like, yep, I'll pop out. Meetings right now, but there it is. Wow. The San Diego streets are crazy, guys. My last day here. Guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. I'm wrapping up tonight, and I'm gonna catch the train to Fullerton tomorrow for golf, okay? We get picked up there, and now I'll start the next chapter. I'll get this video out. What is today? Wednesday, get it out Thursday, get it out Friday. I'll edit it out on the train. San Diego's kind of a generic city. I mean, the Padres stadium downtown is really the best part and what's driving all the traffic here, I would say, because I mean, I don't know, someone proved me wrong. All right. Hey, one thing I will point out though is I still have 10 minutes. Oh, expired. Okay. Yeah, I've been getting really lucky. I've let every single one of my things expire, with the largest gap being upwards of like 5 or 6 hours, and haven't gotten a ticket yet. So I'm gonna pay this through 8, and then it's good for the night, and I'll bring it over to my guy who's buying it tomorrow. Let's go. Yo, once again, I think I kind of ordered too much food, bro. I have a tendency of doing that, but we're over here at Sablab, Thai and Gaslamp. This looks crazy. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are. This is my car. I'm driving off. Shout out to my boy Dirk. Oh my God. Let's go. Congratulations, bro. We're almost there, but I'm glad it's going to a good guy that I know. He's from Seattle, out here living in San Diego, taking it off my hands. That's all. Downtown San Diego is another one of those cities that's just a ghost town at 7:30 in the morning. on a weekday. I'm sure it's even like that on a weekend too. It's just these places start a little later, maybe around 8 or 9 or 10 o'clock. But heading to the gym to squeeze one gym session in before I get over to the Santa Fe Depot Amtrak station. I have my golf bag with me, so I don't know the process on checking a bag. I did some research on Chatbot, and it seems like I could just carry it on, and if it's extra big, I can pay a $10 to $20 acceptance or service fee. But let's go pay another $45 to go get an hour and a half workout in. Thursday today, bicep, tricep, ab, and then I brought my stuff to shower. So, because dude, the shower at the Airbnb, everything was great at that Airbnb. Locations, prime. There wasn't even that much noise like people were saying. But all they had was hand soap. So for the past 2 days, I've been showering with just hand soap because I'm not gonna go re-up their shampoo supply for them or take some with me. So heading to Fit right now. Here, check it out. Nice, cool morning here. We are on a 10th and I believe it's J, this street coming up here. Yes, sir. You guys, I came during the morning shift, 7:30. They have it dialed in. She says, you're a previous member, right? I said, yeah, I'm a previous member. She said, oh, it's only $25. 20. Oh. I said, so here's what I did. And here's where I love my girl Honor in the front desk. I said, I just paid $45 a day for the past 2 days. Is it cool if you can I get it free? She's like, let me see. Yeah, you're good. Come on now. So $90 for 3 days, $30 a day. That's a lot better. Okay, so if you're a previous member over at Fit, use that to your advantage. $20 savings, that's crazy. All right, so I just checked in. These were both free. I mean, I don't know if they were included with the business class ticket, which was $50. But this I paid $10 for, and you just carry everything on with you, so easy as that. And then there's already a line forming outside. But check this place out. So, should be a 2-hour flight, 2-hour train ride. And we're taking off here at 10:01 a.m. and it is 9:45. I'm gonna grab a coffee. I don't know where they're gonna have us board at. Oh, they're gonna probably check my ticket, which I don't have pulled up. Damn, look at this conductor, bro. He's been doing this since trains were invented. Hold on. All right. Look at that. All right, oh, he's helping out too. Let's go. So he had me walk in the first one here. I don't know whose blue bag that is, but it looks like we have a couple lounges, toilet, sink. This is where I put my stuff right here. And then stairs go right here. Oh, this is like a whole room over here. I guess if you need more room, but let's see what's going on upstairs. Hold on. Some steep stairs here. Ugh. Okay, this is pretty nice.
What size is he?
All right, I scored a left-facing view, which is going to be the side the coast is on, and it's a full window, unobstructed. And there's Wi-Fi here, so I can get my shit done. Ooh. And plugins. Let's go. It's the best way to get to LA. 50 bones.